XY Suit presents Real Twilight Genius.
Real Twilight Genius.
Today we salute you, Mr. Wolfpack Naked Wetter Downer.
Mr. Wolfpack Naked Wetter Downer.
While lesser men would shy away from hosing down half-naked boys in shorts, you embrace it.
Yes, you do.
In the freezing cold or the pouring rain, you hold that hose proud as you douse the Wolfpack's trembling muscles when the director calls for more water.
That's what I call saturation.
Who's in the house? Some awesome guy who'd rather hose down dudes than chicks in bikinis.
Boobs are overrated.
So crack open a nice cold can of vitamin R manned with the big hose. Because you put the wet, and that makes me wet.
Mr. Wolfpack Naked Wetter Downer.